Welcome back to the channel. The weather here in Central California is getting a bit hot. 110 expected by the end of the week. Whew. I'm putting together some hardware for my car kit and decided to replicate the gear with smaller additions for a larger rucksack I'm looking at for a bit more mobility. There's tons of options on Amazon, and I went with the House Ran 14-inch bolt cutters, coming in at $22. They are crafted from high-strength steel and are perfect for heavy-duty tasks like cutting chains, bolts, and wires. The anti-slip handles provide a comfortable grip and enhance efficiency, and they are equipped with an adjustable limiting screw. They work great as a chain link fence cutter or fence wire cutter. They are equipped with an advanced lever design which reduces effort, making it easy to tackle tough jobs like chain cutting, padlock cutting, or heavy-duty wire cutting, and for thick cables and screws. They weigh in at 2.02 pounds. I'm not an expert on bolt cutters, but these feel pretty solid. I'm going to check out Amazon for some cheap padlocks to do some tests, or maybe check with a local locksmith. You never know. Maybe they'll sponsor an episode. I think these are the perfect size and weight for the pack I'm looking at. Much like lockpicking tools, just the possession of bolt cutters can lead to an investigation, which could be that can of worms, which none of us need. So please like, subscribe, and comment. Until the next video, take care.